Ahoy, this is Zdenka. What is new when it comes to smartphone gimbals? Yes, there is another new gimbal on the market. This is Zhiyun Cinepeer CQ5 foldable smartphone gimbal with AI tracking, voice assistant, magnetic fill light, and anti-shake technology. This is a first look. Let's test this. Zhiyun sent me this product for an introduction, however, I'm not being paid for producing this video. Let's check out the build. This is how it looks like when you fold it. It's not the smallest gimbal, so it can handle phones up to 280 grams. You can still, however, fit it in a pocket. It's quite compact. Charging time is 2 hours and runtime is up to 11 hours. It also supports charging while using it. Let's unfold it and turn it on. The first thing I noticed that the extendable rod is pretty long. So for walking around, filming yourself, you're going to get a very good wide angle as the smartphone is further away. Let's test stabilization. Let's open up this gimbal's app that is called Cami. There are two gimbal's settings as they have advanced technology to make the footage as smooth as possible. One is for walking and another one is for running. Let's walk first. Here is just a regular hard walk. And here is a softer walk, deeper in the knees. Let's switch the setting to run, and let's try some running to see how the stabilization looks. Feel free to let me know in the comments how you like this stabilization. In fact, feel free to comment regarding all the new features I'm gonna show you in this video because feedback is always greatly appreciated. Another new feature is a voice control that only works in Cami. So this is how it works. Hey Cami, there's a beep and now I can continue. Start recording. Stop recording. There you go. It seems as it is now pretty standard for the new gimbals to have dedicated AI-powered tracking sensors, which means you don't always have to use Cami app. You can be tracked in any other app of your choice. It gets attached here to the side, so when you go to the landscape mode, it appears at the bottom. There is a button on the other side that will wake up the sensor or turn it on or off. You can attach it this way or that way, depending if you are filming with a front or rear camera. Let's see how well this can track. There are a number of hand gestures you can use. You can enable tracking, disable tracking, you can reframe the shot, you can switch the gimbal to landscape mode like this, and back to portrait mode like that. There are more hand gestures in the Cami app. Start or stop recording with the peace sign. It will give you 3 seconds to get ready. Let me remove the AI tracking sensor. As you can see, both ends of the phone clamp have magnetic contact points. So if you are filming in landscape mode, you can add the AI sensor to the bottom or to the top. If you are filming in vertical mode, it can go only on the left side, as this side is blocked by the arm. If I am filming in landscape mode, I can also add extra fill light, providing a 150 lux light effect. Ideally, you want to have the AI tracker at the bottom and the light at the top because nobody wants to light up the chin. It's a common sense to have the light from above. It turns on by long pressing this wheel on the side. If you short press, you can switch between different strengths of the light. And then when you want to turn it off, you just long press again. If I film in vertical mode, I can only use either or because the other side is blocked by the arm. Either the tracking sensor or the light that you can again point towards yourself or away. The gimbal has all standard modes: pan follow, lock, all follow, go mode, POV mode, and V mode, that is vortex. Let's check out the Cami app once again. What you have here are smart templates that you can also customize. You can live stream, take photos, record videos, create 3x3 panorama, or clone me, record a slow motion, dolly zoom, static and motion time-lapse, and hyperlapse. This app also has beauty mode, smart shooting. It will guide you how to film and give you ideas when it comes to shots. You can also film in manual mode, and you can film in 4K in 24, 25, 30, and 60 frames per second with iPhone. You can film with an external microphone, control white balance, you can film in manual mode, and enable HDR shooting. You can also zoom in or out with this zoom wheel. There is also a video editor built in. You can edit with a quick edit that is automated. You can use templates, Quite Smart Edit, or edit on your own. You can export videos in 1080p, but 4K videos require Prime membership. Everything you saw I was showing with iPhone 16 Pro, but I know that there are many Android users out there. So let me show you what you see with Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but keep in mind that what you will see with this phone in the app might not be the same with another brand. Every Android phone is different. By default, you can film 4K in 24 and 30 frames per second, but there is an option below called experimental. Once you enable this, you can do other frame rates. What is experimental? When enabled, all the frame rate options are available in a shooting mode. Some of the options are not supported in certain smartphone operating systems. In this case, the actual frame rate may differ from the chosen frame rate, or an error might emerge in the app. I also don't see slow motion, but everything else seems to be there. Well, what is my first impression? I really like that very long selfie stick. That I like. I also like that it's not super small gimbal. It's a little bit more stronger built. I like that it feels very comfortable in the hands. So for those who have a little bit bigger hands, they will really appreciate that. I like the solid, strong tripod. I also like the AI tracker and the fill light you can add. However, there are two things I will be quite careful with. The AI tracker is magnetic, but I found out that it can be easily knocked off, so there is a chance of losing it. You also have to remove it when you want to film in vortex mode. I love the long extendable selfie stick, but if you want to put it fully extended down on a table, you have to do additional steps. Because if you just put it like this, it's gonna flip over. So you either have to position the elbow much forward to kind of balance it, or you have to also put the tripod so the leg is backwards for the support, and now it is holding like this. That is something you just have to get used to. This Gimbal Cinepeer CQ5 comes in two versions. Standard version that has gimbal, tripod, quick start guide, and charging cable. The combo version comes with all this and also gray AI tracker and SM121 fill light in original color. When it comes to pricing, I'm going to list it all below so you can see it in your currency depending on where you live. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative, and don't forget to subscribe for more. I've placed some videos that you might want to check out next. See you there. Ciao. Ahoj.